Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today in front of you Epson L3070 printer, and printer is showing E11 error and it's written in Arabic text, need ink pad need service and contact Epson. So you have to reset ink pad if you are facing this issue E11 error in L3070 printer. And today we will reset ink pad using adjustment program. We will reset it 100%. So before you run the application, make sure that your antivirus or Windows Defender should be disabled. If it's not disabled, then you cannot run the application. So now I have to run this L3070 for Euro. You can text me on Instagram to get the link. Now I will double click on the icon. It's appeared here like this. We'll press select button and then select my model. Two models appeared. Our model is 3070. Destination is Euro, EURO. Then we have to select port USB. It's written printer model here, L3070. I will press OK. Now we will click on particular adjustment mode. Then I will click on waste ink pad counter. I will press OK. Now there are two main pad counter option and platen pad counter. So we have to check both, and I will check first which one is full, and the above one is the full 100%. So let's click on both options and we'll click on initialize. When I pressed initialize, it's asked me to press OK. I will press OK, and it's saying me please turn off the printer. So I will turn off the printer now. If you will get an error message, communication error or something like this, change the port of USB, try to connect another port, or install the complete driver to get rid of the communication error message. Now I will press OK and OK. Printer is turned off. I will turn back on and we will press on button. Here I will press cancel. Printer is initializing. Before it was showing straight away error message E11. Now there is no error message. If you want me to check again using this ink pad counter option to make sure that the error resetted 100% ink pad, I will press check and we can make sure. It's got stuck again, but let's reset it. I will communication error. It's gave communication error. Press cancel. Will go previous and again select same options like this. OK. Particular adjustment mode, wasting pad counter. OK. Main pad counter, press check, and you can see it's checked already and 0% now because it was showing 100% full and there is no error message on this screen. Send me a text message on Instagram. You can find the Insta ID in the description or in the first comment. Okay, and I will send you the link and you can download adjustment program for L3070. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. All the best.